First kalma tayyaba. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Second kalma shahadat. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, alone without any partner, and I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and his messenger. Third kalmat tamjid. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wala ilaha illallah wallahu akbar wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahi aliyyul azim. Glory be to Allah and all praise be to Allah. There is none worthy of worship except Allah, and Allah is the greatest. There is no might or power except from Allah.